I thought it was no sides. Why they picking and choosing? She gave me a look like she had an issue though. She picking side. She like somebody from some I don't know where I seen her from. She said she don't care. She don't want to see nobody. She looked to the goddamn black dude. She gave him the head nod like he don't go. Hey, look, check game. Cause if it ain't all about the oil or the goddamn moon and the sun coming together, if they don't need the sun electrifying things and they want to say something later on, I hope they ain't looked the wrong way. But listen, since we know certain people at the end of their season, I'm gonna say I hope they pick the right side since they picking and choosing. But look, like Yahweh, like Wagner. I'm just playing. I ain't gonna say it. I mean, she could look to the other side and say she looked right. Damn, she did look right. Ain't that saying she looking the wrong way? Or is it the other way? Damn, no bueno. No bueno noche. Damn, mamacita, no bueno, no bueno. Oh, ven aquí. She no bonita. I mucho negro. I like negro. Negra. I don't know. Hey, but listen, man, check game, man. I'm talking cash money, man. Hopefully they go tell a friend to tell a friend so my video go live. I don't need none of that. Now, since I don't know who the Black Widow is, I ain't looking for that. If anybody in this room trying to use anything for mine, like a Thundercat, they better not say nothing around me. Hey, listen. If it hurts you, it makes you weak in the knees, like an old school song, please don't go for me. Now look, back to what I was saying. Cause look, if I show y'all what I'm talking about, I'm gonna just do this. So facts. If somebody goes to the 12, if mama goes to the 12, 33 for the key. If somebody uses that key and say they gonna use the 3 or the 2 and the 1, no hype. Or if they use that 33 to say they going the other way, stop playing with me. Nobody better not use nothing for me. I don't need none of that. No bueno. And like I said, I can show the photos when I'm on A1, and that was just a few. Bro, I go get a haircut and I still be A1. Stop playing me, folks. Stop playing me. Don't play with me. Ugh. How dare these folks? Hey, listen. This what it'd be so funny, right? Because that's a feminine emotion. That's what they try to give male goats and female and males. You know what I'm saying? That's emotions. That's for the feminine. Well, you can't say feminine. I mean, cause they not women. So if you're not a woman, then you can't. I mean, a female is for animals. A male is for that's animals. I mean, different hues, man. We changed up the classes, right? Now they saying I'm stupid because I'm blowing up the situation. They saying they gonna use a whole bunch against my side. They gonna get me. I hope nobody ain't touching their leg for the wrong thing. Satan said don't do it. Now they saying they trying to send somebody to heaven. I don't know where heaven at. Heaven is Janice, and that's where the ice cream at. Ice cream. Do y'all scream? No blues involved. Now hold on, let me see if it worked, cause you know what I'm saying. I don't know why he walking around with a Y on his back. So I mean, we all know what you are. I don't know what you got a Y for. I mean, shit. That's like somebody with suspenders with an X on his back. Now he also a character. Since it's all a movie, I know. Oh, she sent it to his arm. Oh, 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 oh. I know I wasn't looking for them cheeks, so I know damn well somebody was looking for him. I wasn't looking for him. Oh man, you gotta be so sweet when you do the most for these people. You gotta be real sweet and active. It's like Minute Maid. You gotta know how to use. It's like Minute Maid. Now listen, Since they tracking in here, they looking for crabs. It's like crabs in a bucket. They hunting for something. It's like a king crab. They hunting for something. Now listen, if I ask this man, "Are y'all looking for something?" and he'll be like, "Nah," would that be the definition of being a deceiver? Would that be the definition of being a deceiver, or would that be the definition of being Jupiter, Judas? No. Jupiter only just steals your lady. That's all he do. He steal your wifey, and he protect the hoes. Now, do I have an adversary in here? Am I my brother's keeper? Am I my brother's keeper? I just want to know. Am I my brother's keeper? Do I have any adversaries in here? Because somebody holding. I don't know who holding, though. Somebody holding. Somebody said they going against the grain. They said they going against me like I'm saying something strange. Nah, they talk about the Hebrew Israelites. They talk about the Hebrew Israelites, right? But then I'm like, they say you crazy as a basket. You know what I'm saying? They say you crazy as a basket. No orange involved, because if I see the crazy, the loony go over there, I know what it is. Now I just heard my repeat, so I know there's some group of them coming back around. Now look, check in, cause listen, if you put a skull in a basket with it, oh man, look, homie look like he came from I don't want to say Czechoslovakia, Czechoslovakia. I mean, I guess man, I'm dead, folk. I'm dead. Now I look for her shoes because I was being funny because I was just like, you know what I mean? Why she got the Jesus sandals on? But I get on that too. Since like I told y'all, whenever you look for something or do something, they gotta be funny. They gotta have a rebuttal. They gotta go back. Cause I told you that most of that stuff is feminine energy. That's female stuff. Like, listen, when you get mad or angry and all that stuff, that's female stuff. And females be sitting in the cut, setting the energy up. They be sitting there bubbling and then tell you some sweet stuff, and they be over there talking about, I'm gonna stab you in the eye, stab you in the neck, I'm gonna stab you in the back. Oh, I'm gonna do it to my best friend later on. Ha 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 ha. And they'll tell you, oh honey, I baked you this cake. Damn, somebody be doing it. I don't know, boy. On God. Hey, listen. I told y'all I deal with only certain demographics. I don't care about none of that. If you feel some type of way, you want to look some type of way, don't look toward this man and put on like he got down something you need. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Now, somebody about to go take some Tylenol, some Midol or something later on, so you better not say nothing to me. Now, look, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna change my play to make sure I'm not crazy and nobody can't say nothing because I know where I'm sitting at. I know where I'm at. Anybody say I'm anywhere else, I know where I'm at right now. Now it's amazing. Ain't nobody made me have to go pee there all of a sudden. They usually be shooting me with them frequencies. Go to the bathroom, fool. You gotta go to the bathroom. We're gonna kill you if you don't go to the bathroom. I'm like, man, damn. Man, they already been in the corner. I already caught them right now. You did. Now listen, since I know they trying to get to that cuff, they already talking about they in the square. Since when you go to that square, they cut your feet off. They give you lesser shoes. They cut your feet off because they saying certain things. They already saying they gonna murder you. They going for your feet, dog. If it's not true, bet not nobody go to where I'm saying because somebody gonna get hit for it. On soul. Bet not nobody go to the restroom. I'm gonna say that too. You remind me of a G. Why we be talking about Christ? How the fuck we get back to Christ? That's talking about the oil, man. Please stop looking for y'all. Hey, look, man. I don't want nobody using my hands, my arms, my legs, my other place, the top of my crown, none of that. Cause we in the middle of something, right? I'm shining light right now. Since nobody want to hear my light, so I mean, they say don't shine your light. They want you in the darkness. They want you like a set. Now this ain't no family about to show up. It's already a group that's gonna slide past, right? Cause like I told you, it's all about comedy. So since I know this is a stretch, I already know who outside too. Since I know they outside, I know he about to bend back around in a minute too. Now listen, since she building, that means it's been a whole lot of people using a lot of plays. He's silent over there. Silent night, holy night. Oh, hey man, how Satan name spelled Santa Claus? We we going through the clauses, right? Santa little helper. Is that Santa little helper? Hop to it if you want to send a little helpers. A Santa helper in here, man. Somebody hop to it. Oh, they got this. Look, hey, listen, man. They got the thing on the screen, man. You tell me if I'm tripping. She just told me she in the middle. She not on the equinox. She on the other side. Stop playing me. She trying to get to the heat. Now, if a dog go roof, hey, listen, I know where a dog at right now. If a dog go roof and a cat go meow, a bunny go hop, 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 you tell me if I'm tripping now. It's a fox in the hen house. I asked you what happened this morning. Nothing, you idiots. He's locked in the basement. Hey, listen. Damn, what time it is? Oh, I forgot. Somebody had tried to program me to do that too, to keep looking at the watch, and I'm like, man, what? I used to be able to know what time it is like that. I used to never look at clocks at all. But then somebody kept trying to say, you gotta look at the clock. You gotta look at the clock. Look at the clock. Look at the clock. Look at the clock. I was like, man, what the fuck? What the fuck? Then I was like, man, shit. I just started putting patterns together and started putting recipes together and understand what I mean. Which somebody in the room is very clever because they got other little things in the room that they know how to use what I mean. And all that means is somebody about to show back up where I say they're gonna show up, and I say what I mean. Now there's the cookies. I guess we got to check the oven. Is it hot enough for you, baby? Heat check. We eating chicken tonight? We got chicken? Don't be short with me. Why she gotta be so short with me? She being short with me. Alright. Bet not nobody eat nothing in here. Bet, hey, listen, check game. Bet not 101 or 101. Bet not nobody eat no cookies and no sweets in here. If I'm lying by anything, if I'm speaking nothing but truth, man, factual things, bet not nobody eat no cookies. If that man ain't had no nookie and goddamn and play no hooky and God knows how long, nobody better not eat no sweets. If ain't nobody put no candlesticks in no cake. It ain't went down since 78. It was a wild time. Hey, listen. Since I ain't looking for no shrooms, I'm just keep it wild. I'm gonna keep it all the way funky and wild. Merlin couldn't goddamn cut this thing any better. Merlin couldn't cut it any better. Since I know she understands the lingo as well, I can get on her too, but I ain't looking for that. Don't do it. Use everything he says. Burn the whole city down. Don't use it. I'm just playing. Now listen. When I was walking around talking about Jesus loves the little children, all of the children of the world, they were yellow, black, and white. Da, 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 da. Man, I'm talking about it seemed like life was going so good, right? And then some police just had to come out of nowhere and crack me in my head. And then I found out this was all lies. She was like, "Wake up, fool! Phone check, nigga." I was like, "No." She said, "Wake up, wake up, wake up. Get up, get up, get up. It's the first of the month. Y'all thought I was gonna use that fool? I don't like that fool. I don't like that man music. Y'all got me fucked up, nigga. I don't like nothing for that nigga." And he was, you know what? I heard some truth from him. So, I mean, I don't even know his real story on God. And look, to all y'all white folks out there who go in the rooms and saying people are gay off the rip, I know what y'all do. And them little girls be doing it too. I ain't looking for nothing. But like I said, listen, I was sitting in the room. Little girl came in, was like, little chat. I don't know what she was on. I don't know how old she was. I didn't see her. Was like, "Y'all gay," and this and that. She kept saying, I'm like, "Damn, that's crazy." I'm like, "No, they don't talk like that." But like I told y'all before, y'all seen my videos. I told y'all they were saying some other things in the room as well. It was crazy. Now to the individuals, when I got it, when I make it back to where I make it back to, if they where I say they at, if they in that office acting stupid, like they cooler than goddamn Uncle Sam and the gang, I'ma get on them too. Jesus loves the little children, all of the children of the world. That's like seeing a Catholic priest just do his little dance, cause he like, I'm getting a bankroll, and I'm kicking y'all in the ribs, and I'm kicking your ass at the same time, and I can drop my wood off in your old lady if I want to, and I can mob up the whole scene. I can get everybody. And I can pull up Billy Graham and go stupid. No beaks involved. Meek me. No beaks involved. Meek me. I don't look down. Fuck you talking about. No left right so either. I'm straight up with it. On God. He reminded me that it was a security, right? He purposely followed me around and try to get me for every little thing. I'm like, bro, I'm not even talking half the time. I don't say nothing. I'm just quiet. He made his agenda. Make sure he was going after me. Then the other one was acting like he was a muscle bound gorilla. He thought he was tough, pulling his pants up and hiking them up. But he was only kicking it with certain people though. He was only kicking it with a certain group of people in the room. I said, damn, that's crazy, man. I ain't even want no pressure from you. They kept wanting to use certain things on me. I'm like, damn. Why y'all keep singling me out, bro? And the thing about it, I know how certain situations roll, so I'm like, nah, something kind of off, man. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But then I found out that you can talk to people's women through other means. I said, So it's all about bagging the female. If you know what a woman is, if you can bag the female, it's all about bagging the chick. So I mean, like, since I go through the womb, I mean, if a Catholic priest wears a dress, is he not saying he already got it? Is he not already saying he bagging everybody, lady? Shit. I mean, you ain't gotta physically say it. You could just goddamn walking through the goddamn scene to say it, nigga. I could walk through the archways and say, man, I was getting dumb in it, man. I was getting busy in here. We was in here having conversations. We was swapping stories. Like, we was getting busy in here. We both got ours. I got mine's off. I got mine's off. I got mine's off, right? I made her bring it back, right? Like a nigga who had flats on a Cadillac, I made him bring it back. You understand what I'm saying? I don't need you to rebuttal. It was rhetorical. Your presence is no longer needed. Dismissed. Now look, they trying to follow me down the street. They say they gonna roll their boat, Mary, Mary, Mary down the street. Mary, Mary, long down the street. Yada, 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 yada. Listen, you can only tase a person so long. You can only zap me so long until I figure it out. It's like a caged dog that you do. Listen, Stanley Milgram said it the best. This is all a program to do something to your mental. This is to strike you in the. Now, scratch Stanley because we don't need to use Stanley because that's still a dual flip. And Stanley, well, Milgram is a fake Jew. He's a kaiju. He's a real character. Like NASA be doing experiments. That's why they got a rocket. Where he going? To the rockets? Now look, check gang. Since if somebody's showing up, right? If any females show up in here and look the wrong way or look low, I'ma say, cause if they ain't anything gray and white, it's the dual flip. Don't play with my soul. Now listen, since I know they trying to get to the face or the lip, it's a dual flip too. Don't play with my soul. Now since it's on the sinuses, cause they trying to hit you in the know, it's the know and the unknown. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this grandma picture and I'm gonna go ahead and sit it on this table and I'm gonna see if it does anything magical. Since there's another individual in the room looking at a screen, looking at different things. There's always somebody running around doing some weird shit. Nothing off the low hips, because, like I said, everything is mathematical codes and knowing where something is. You know what I mean? Hey, man, let me get somebody to stand up for me, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a shout out if somebody knows what I mean. Man, I know where I'm about to go, and I know where I'm gonna stand at. If anybody in this room is using anything that's not conducive to my energy, or is meant to hurt me, don't let them move where they supposed to move. Anybody show up or finish show up. Now, hey, look, man, I hear a whole lot of huffing and puffing. He acts like he was sitting like old boy that was in that other side of the room. I was like, nah, there you go, old boy that was on the other side of the room. Hmm. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. I'm gonna go take me a big long shit. I'm gonna go take me a big shit so I can goddamn make sure I don't get caught for nothing. So if any of my chicks, anybody get hit with anything, I'm gonna say it's from these people over here, and they told somebody where I was gonna be at, I was gonna show up at, and said some other stuff. They say they like that him kid, man. They say they like his videos a lot. They say he got good production skills. Hey, homie, you probably gonna make it into Hollywood. No hate. I hope you make it far. Real talk. I ain't never threw no shade. Now I want to know where them two young ladies was at. All right, so look, I already know who set the frequency, right? So if somebody talks through something else they ain't got no business talking through, and trying to use it in a different means. I'm gonna go ahead and start looking around and saying where certain things gonna be, so I can see if I can catch somebody a different way. Don't do it. Oh gosh, dudes. Hey man, look, that be the old place that be in all the nookie boy. He like he get a whole can of sardines, a whole can of goddamn tuna. I'm talking about extra large, big dumb can of tuna. I'm talking about eat it with a spoon. She gonna eat it with a spoon. Bitch, I don't give a fuck what you like, huh? If anybody in the room talking about anything, man, nigga, Niggas say anything slick, talking about I ain't nobody's nothing. If any of these folks goddamn use anything, I ain't nobody people. Ain't nobody over there on the other side. I don't give a fuck who's saying what. And I already heard who it is. I know who's showing up. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Y'all niggas talking about y'all in sync and shit. Nigga, where was y'all at when Martin was getting killed? Why was y'all in sync then? Huh? Anybody who was talking about anything, why y'all wasn't in sync then when them niggas was getting murdered? When that young boy who's out there slinging that dope was getting all that money, he got his whole head knocked off. Where was y'all niggas at then? Why was y'all talking about that young nigga, blah, blah, blah? When that rock and roll star got murdered, when he killed himself or suicide, why ain't nobody stand up then? Where was they at? When he OD'd or something, where was all these people at? Where was all that synchronicity and all this? Oh, you hear me? You feel me, bro? Nah, because y'all niggas don't give a fuck. Y'all just use it until y'all get the hell off a scene. Ain't nobody unified, man. This shit cap. Now, to the people, to the black widows at the dorm, because they ain't gonna use black widows. They gonna talk about money, murder, sex, movies, something dealing with some fake action scene from an action scene from an action scene, something dealing with scientific, factual things, and something that's gonna reveal a story that goes on for eons. Which a story is nothing but a goddamn schooling of some nonsense. Since we out here teaching lessons out here, since we talking about Saturn, since it's a hex, and I ain't talking about we gone, you know what I'm saying? They gone. Nobody use no Pro Tools or no rebuttals for me. Don't turn. What? Why you turn around? They could hear everything. They told me they psychics. They said they could hear everything you say. I'm not too wise, so I lean to the other side. Oh, if I'm wise, will I lean to the other side? All right. If everybody in this room wiser than me, let them not go to where I say. And she just spent out to the 8. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Stop playing me, folks. I don't care about none of that shit. I told y'all what I like. That's not my demographic. Oh yeah, shout out to the little family who got the Legos. Hopefully little buddy you know what I'm saying, they went to church and got a whole blessing. They got rich off that. I was like, damn, that's crazy, folks. Y'all get blessed. I'm like, damn, who gonna fly my ship? Who gonna let me fly the ship? She gonna let me fly the ship? I told her look back at it. Let me stop. Don't look back at it. I don't want you to look back at it. Smacking them cheeks, making her say what? She was. Should I look up? Because I don't want to look, man. Oh, damn. Hey, look. So,